morning guys, it's February the 25th, I'm Henry Green from London Trading Group, and once again I'm going to run through what I'm looking for the coming trading day. Okay, so let's start with euro dollar. So again, another holding day yesterday. We still haven't managed to clear this custom moving average, so this could be the move out to this that I was waiting for. We're actually at the 90 moving average on the 60-minute chart. This one has held really nicely, so you've got to expect this to hold. If it doesn't, it goes through, then it's kind of fulfilling what we expected it to kind of happen on the daily chart, because the last 2 days have been indecision bars, and actually, especially yesterday's day, it's starting to look a little bit more bullish than we thought. So it got down to 109.50 and held. We're back now up at 110.30. So yes, of course, this is a good selling zone, and we have retraced back into the sell zone. So 109.20 is the area that I'm looking to take this down to, should this move lower. But at the moment, I think that we're actually probably looking at a higher low being made, and then we're probably looking to take this higher. So if we just have a look at the 15-minute chart, this was the move we had yesterday, retested that line, and then we moved off. But today, there's something about this at the moment, indecision massively. So I think you get a break above 110.40, and you've got a lot of clear space back up towards 11.20, and that's certainly where I'll be looking to take this. And I think at the moment, that's the side you've got to play. I think that's where the risk to reward is. Otherwise, 109.20 I think is your next level down, which I'll be looking for. But certainly it looks like euro strength is going to continue. Cable looked weak again yesterday. It was the weakest one out of them all. The British pound looking ever so weak, and 138 looks like it's imminently going to be hit. So once again, what I'm going to do for this one is I'll have this counter trend line in. So let's set that up now. I'm going to have this one in. Had a nice breakthrough there. Now I'm just waiting for a lower high on a 15-minute chart. Sell through there, sell through there, sell through there, all the way down to 138. And I think that's got a lot of clear room, which actually, guys, brings into play euro sterling. I think that's probably going to be the trade of the day. In fact, let's go through that one. I know I don't normally go through euro sterling, but this one's at the D. So we have hit the D. So this could either be a quick move up to the monthly level up here at 79.60, or I think that the best play is let this pull back. If it gets back to sort of 78.60, then let's have that as a buy zone. So potentially euro pulls back this morning, and then we go bid, and then I think that's a great buy zone in and around there. You're retesting those highs again, 78.70, and then we could potentially go higher. Obviously, if this is a fast move and we continue to hold on this 21 moving average that's holding really nicely on the 60-minute, we could push straight up here, and then we're looking for a close above here to take it all the way straight up to the D. So we currently are in a fast market. On the day, it's not fast, so it's just a nice move up. So I'd expect this to at least go on test 79.60 today, which coincides nicely with that 127. So should you break above the 100, I think 79.60 is a good first target, and then potentially wait to see what happens there. Maybe we get a pullback, maybe we don't, and the final target is up there at 80.25, which actually coincides perfectly with a daily level I've got up there as well. So that could be really good for euro sterling. Dollar yen. Dollar yen actually had another indecision day yesterday as well. So this one is in a downtrend. I think we're going to probably pop up again and test that 8 moving average, that 112.80 area. I think that looks like a nice break. I was expecting this to happen. I didn't quite time it right yesterday. We talked about that potential area being hit. So if we get this fib now that we're currently in here, so we've had a fast pullback, 127, so we might see a pullback down to 111.80, I think, this morning. Maybe you see a bit of yen strength this morning, pull back into 80, and then we see this pop higher again on 112.90. Would go and test the daily level, and it would go and test that 8 moving average, which it's done a few times. So I think you allow that to pull back. I think down at 111.80, that's a prime buy zone for dollar yen, and then I'll be looking to take that higher. Dollar CAD yesterday, I thought was the day. I thought yesterday was the day that we were going to close above that 8 on the day that we haven't been able to break above. And all we've done is just sat back, bang in the middle of the range. We've closed back below it, spiked in, hit the 50 moving average on the day, and then we spiked back down again. So we are back down here now at the bottom of the range. And for me, I think this is a sideways market at the moment. So I'll just be looking for a 15-minute high low to take this back up to the highs. That's all you can do with this market at the moment. We are sideways. If we go to a 15-minute and zoom out a little bit, you'll see what I mean. We are just currently bang sideways in this. So you've got the low side down here at 136.50, and the top side but 138.40. So you can't play this as a breakout until it does, and certainly it doesn't look like it's ready to do that yet. Okay, so Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. I got chopped up in Kiwi yesterday. I was shorting this, short through here, and it bounced and took my stop out. Sorry, not me stop. Took my stop out. And again, we're just bang at the top, well, in the middle of that range again. So potentially I should have been a bit more wary. I had a daily level in here that I just kind of disregarded because I should have played that at more of a range. Instead, I didn't. I said it was going to break down to the lower side. It's always the optimist in me that feels that this day is going to be the breakout day, which is wrong. It's something that I need to change in my trading. But again, I got chopped up in that one. So these range markets I'm not a massive fan of. Obviously, if it gets back up to sort of 70-67 area, 67.40 area, I think then that's probably a better sell zone in the Kiwi dollar. Aussie, yeah, again, it just looks messy, so messy. So I'm not going to touch Aussie or the Kiwi. Aussie especially looks pretty messy as well, as you can see. We didn't manage to break through 71.60 yesterday. We had a go, but didn't quite manage it. So obviously, if we manage to do that today, then I think that low side of the range, 70.70, I think that's probably the best play if we break through there today in the Aussie dollar. So I'll be looking to take that down to 70.60. Yep, in the Aussie. So okay, guys, that's a quick whip through everything. So I think we potentially see a bit of euro strength, and again, I'm going to favour pound weakness. So you can play the pound against anything really. So that's what I'll be looking for today. So potentially pound else, pound Kiwi, all these sorts of crosses that potentially could just hold up. Yep, it doesn't look awfully clear. If it doesn't, there's nothing that's particularly trending at the moment, except for the pound. So I'm just probably going to stick to the pounds. I like a euro turn, and apart from that, the other four look pretty congested. So just be wary of that. And yeah, I hope that's been useful for you guys. Click subscribe to never miss a video again, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Thanks very much.